According to Drive Tesla, the refreshed Tesla Model Y features a key design change aimed at improving repairability. The rear trunk lid has been split into two separate sections, replacing the previous single-piece design. This adjustment allows owners to replace only the smaller, lower portion if damaged, rather than the entire trunk lid, potentially reducing repair costs and saving time. The change addresses a common issue for Model Y owners, where minor damage near the spoiler required costly full liftgate replacements. Insurance companies may also lower premiums due to the reduced cost of repairs, as less extensive fixes mean fewer claims. The new design, first seen in photos of the Glacier Blue Model Y of Tesla's Giga Shanghai, also simplifies production. The squared-off rear glass paired with a two-piece liftgate could streamline manufacturing processes, as flat glass panels are easier and cheaper to produce than curved ones. Tesla has not started deliveries of the refreshed Model Y, but this design aligns with broader trends in the auto industry to improve repairability. You are listening to Yuan News.